Hi everyone, welcome back to another video series by G-AsiaPacific. I'm Timothy Low, the sales consultant here at G-AsiaPacific, and today I'll be speaking about the cloud migration strategy that we have developed here within G-AsiaPacific. So you can see on the screen here right now, these are the 4 different phases that we've developed for our cloud migration strategy. So starting with the initiation phase, second, moving forward is the planning phase, and then execution phase, and then the closure and modernization phase. So let's just dive deep straight into our strategies. So in the first phase, let's talk about the initiation phase. So the initiation phase is where we sit down with our customers and we help our customers to discover and to identify what kind of workloads they would like to move to cloud, and to for us to further understand their current infrastructure. It could be on their on-premise, it could be on their on-premise data center, it could be just a traditional server. So this is where we need to further understand what are the problems and issues they are facing right now that triggered them to move to cloud. Or it could be just a stage where they are genuinely interested to move to cloud. This is also where we can help them to identify what kind of workloads we can help them to migrate to cloud for them to have their journey on the cloud to be started. So during these stages where we kind of gather certain requirements, such as what kind of servers you're running, any server specifications, any dependencies that your infrastructure is depending on. So all these little things, this is where we kind of help and also understand with our customers on their current infrastructure. So moving on, once we've gathered all the information that we need, this is where we finalize the requirements with our customers to see what kind of workloads they would like to move to cloud. It could be just a simple step of having it on pilot, which means we can have maybe 1, 2, or 3 workloads moving to the cloud first, just for the customers to have a look and feel what is it like to have their workloads onto the cloud, and how the migration plan or the whole migration works from on-premise to the cloud. And also that this is where G-AsiaPacific, we draw a migration plan for our customers on the different kind of timeline, the different kind of tools that we can offer to our customers, the different kind of people that will get involved during this migration. So we'll build up a migration plan for our customers, and we present it to our customers in one of our planning meetings. Next will be the license requirements. So license is a very confusing things for some of our customers. Some of our customers may not know or understand what kind of license they are running or they have at the moment. So this is where we help to identify for our customers, and we help to advise our customers whether they can bring the license over to the cloud, or would they need a new license, or how to move forward with the current license that they own. So different kind of products have different kind of license and different kind of requirements. So this is where we help them to understand their license and to propose them the specific license that they need on cloud. So after we've got all that done, and once the customer has agreed to move to do the migration, this is where the migration happens. So during our execution phase, the engineers here at G-AsiaPacific will assist in doing the migration for our customers, and we will have a kickoff session with our customers to also show out with them what is the timeline, what are the different milestones that we need to achieve during this migration. So during the project and also during the migration, this is where we will also have a monitoring of project progression. This is where we will monitor the migration, what is the status, and we'll update our customers, and we will also have a different milestones for our customers during the migration. And last but not least, once we have fully migrated everything to the cloud, we will work hand to hand with our customers on user acceptance testing. So during the UAT phase, this is where the customer will test their application or their workload to see whether it's been working accordingly, like what it has been working on their on-premise. So this is where they test the different functions and to see whether it all works accordingly. Last but not least, this is the closure and modernization phase. We don't only just help our customers migrate and then we just leave our customers hanging there. We also help our customers to do post-migration optimization. So this is where we help to analyze our customers' environment and servers to see whether the servers overutilized or is it underutilized, and we will advise from there. So we will always help our customers to improve their environment, not to only be over optimized or underutilized. So we help them to have the right perfect fit of their servers so that they can just use what they actually need to use. And last but not least, we also give modernization suggestions. We have AI, we have data analytics, we have big data, we have all kinds of modernization strategy and suggestions for customers. So this is where we can propose to our customers to help their business to grow to the next step, to maybe even take their whole business to the next step, to include even AI, data analytics, and so on. So these are some of the strategies or recommendations that we help our customers during our cloud migration strategy. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask us on our sales email, as you can see on the screen here right now, our sales at G-AsiaPacific.com. Feel free to ask any questions regarding migration to the email. Else, you can visit our website at www.gasiapac.com to see what kind of different services that we offer, and also what kind of business that we work with to do all this kind of migration. So thank you for watching today. Goodbye.